Hello and welcome back to another episode of 612 Motorsports. In today's episode, if you can see behind me here, I have some amazing colors behind me, all courtesy of my friends at Custom Paints here in Spring Hill, Florida. And today I am going to be joined by the owner, Justin, and we are going to be taking a little tour of the front of the shop here and talking about the products that they make here. But before we get too far into today's episode, you guys know the routine. Go ahead, hit that subscription button, the notification bell, leave a comment, a thumbs up, all that stuff. It's super helpful, and it's very greatly appreciated. I'm joined here by Justin, the owner of Custom Paints. Justin, thanks for taking some time with me today. You have an amazingly beautiful shop here, and could you tell me a little bit about what you guys do and what separates you from the competitor?
Yeah, we're pretty much one of the largest custom paint suppliers now in the country and in Europe. So we started off in year 2000, so we've come up to about 24 years nearly in business now. I set out really to make custom paints affordable, and obviously that one-stop shop for one of the largest range of different styles of paints you can offer.
Okay.
So we can offer candy effect colours, which are translucent, give you rich deep colours, to like the changing colour effects, and then like rainbow holographic type effects and metal flake, and just anything you want your car or product to look different.
Whatever your imagination can muster up.
Yeah. We give the tools really, that our paints are really tools. By the way, I look at them in the aspect that you're giving the tools to the painter, and then he creates and messes around with the colours, mixing and creates the wonderful colours they do on the cars and boats and everything else.
I've been looking around your shop here, and you have some amazing examples of spray outs of your colors and some nice work here. Can you take us through a little bit about what we have over here?
So we've got some candy colours here. These have been one of the sort of the hot rod guys for many years favourite. They create the depth and richness. Sometimes the cameras and the photographs never do these colours justice.
That's the truth.
It's really frustrating. But you know, the candy red, the classic candy red has been so popular since the 60s, 70s when it was first created. They're so popular. But you know, as time's developed, you know, we come into the real strong pearly colours, and base pearls as we call them. And then we've moved into the chameleons and the changing colour effects. They are, technology changes over the years, and
absolutely
the fads come around as well. You'll have one year people love candies, and then the next minute it's changing and developing, and they'll be onto holographic metal flake colours and things like that. Yeah, so the other product we also offer, and we offer airbrush paints. Started doing this probably about 15 years or 16 years ago, offering more palette for airbrush artists and lowriders and things like that you do in patterns. So we've got a selection of artists now who are doing a lot more detailed artwork using our airbrush paints, called Inspire. So obviously with all our custom line we offer all our custom colours in an aerosol form. Not many people used to do many moons ago. With many people using candy colours, they can now use them in an aerosol can, which is great for the person at home doing the small touch-ups. With that, we can now offer OEM colours. So we offer people their car colours as well in an aerosol form. And the one last thing with that, we also do touch-up sticks. So we do a lot of factory colours. They come with a touch-up brush and a pen.
So that's super handy for those that have newer vehicles or even older vehicles that you can't find that touch-up pen at your local auto parts store. They have a very limited rainbow assortment of vehicles, and you would have anything. And if you don't have it, is that something that you can mix up?
Yeah, as long as you call us with a paint code and the year of your car, we can normally find most colours and say aerosol cans, touch-ups, paints, quartz, pretty much any colour really.
little bit about your background.
Yeah, I grew up on custom paints as a young kid. My uncle, who was like my father figure, he was a custom painter and sprayer.
Okay.
So from the little age of real small and
Yeah.
young,
Had your fingers in all the paint cans.
literally, you know, my hands were always in the glitter pots and, you know,
Yeah,
looking
yeah.
at the colour chips, trying to find the cool looking colours. And yeah, I just lived a young life around a body shop when I could.
Yeah, that's
And
great.
I just loved it. And as you do, you get older, you get into cars, and yeah, I sort of learnt to buy and sell cars as you do when you first start, and
Yeah.
wanted to do them up and look after them. And then I got my big project, and I really wanted a cool colour. And I saw the chameleons for the first time ever, probably about 98, something like that.
Yeah, okay.
And I really wanted one, and I searched high and low, couldn't find many companies supplying them.
Okay.
And when I did try and speak to someone, they were so expensive. 3/4 of the paint they were wanting for the value, that was more than my car. And I was like, why does it have to be so expensive?
Right, right.
And I ended up painting it something different. Yeah, after that I started going to more car shows, more events, and realising that there wasn't many custom paint suppliers at these shows. And yeah, I thought, you know, maybe I'll try this out, see if I can find a route into the market.
Yeah, yeah.
And
Saw an opening.
yeah,
Or a need.
a need, yeah, more than anything else.
Yeah.
Especially in the UK, there wasn't really anyone around at all.
Okay.
So I sort of branched out. I reached out, did a lot of investigation work and speaking to many people, companies, and set the company up. And yeah, it's been nearly 24 years now, and it's grown and grown. And we got our shop still in the UK.
Okay.
And
How long have you been here in Florida?
Florida, we opened this up was 2014. Was
Okay.
when we very first opened the doors.
Great.
At the end of the year, and so our full year was 2015. But
Okay.
it's been fun. You know, we came to America because we were getting so much call for our colours when we were in the UK. You don't
Opportunity.
try. That's it. You don't try, you don't know.
Right, exactly.
So
exactly.
me and my family, we said, look, we'll give it a try, and yeah, we've been here ever since. And
Great.
it's all I want to do is provide beautiful colours to people to do their cars.
Well, looking around your shop here, you definitely have that. You've got
Thank
that
you.
covered. And here, especially in Florida, with the car community and the weather being perfect all year round,
Yeah.
you're definitely going to have a big draw for that here. And especially with the colors and the different options that you guys offer, there's a little bit of something here for everybody. And just because you might not see something here on the wall doesn't mean Mr. Chemist here can't doctor something up and come close, if not exactly to something that you might think up in your head. So I will have all of their contact information below for here in the United States and in England. So if you are abroad, you can still get in touch with them, although I'm sure you do ship all over the world from
We do, yeah.
either location. So all of their stuff will be down below. Well, that's going to wrap things up for us here today. I hope you have enjoyed. Remember, all the links for everything you've seen today, phone numbers, contact information, all that stuff is located below in the description, so please check that out. As always, stay positive, work hard, and make it happen.